I'm back and I'm better. Hey, what's up guys, it's BarbaraBeauté and I'm back on your screen with another video, finally. In today's video, I have the Ghetto body lava hack video. For those of us who don't want to spend $60, and for those of us who, even though we have $60, we ain't spending it, I'm gonna teach you this hack. Okay, so if you want to see how I do my little ghetto body lava, well, I'm trying it out for the first time with you guys, then just keep watching. Alright, so what I have for this little hack is I have some baby oil right here. I just have the Johnson one, the little travel size one. You can find it in the travel section in Walmart. I have this spray bottle. I got mine from Harmon's, face value, don't matter. And then I have some highlighter. I know I hate to waste product, but this is already broken. This is my favorite highlighter. It's a rose gold one called Mirror May by Desi X Katie and Dose of Colors. Super pretty rose gold highlighter. Look at this highlighter though. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this up. You could do this inside of the bottle, but I don't want to waste all my baby oil. I'm just pouring just a little bit. Oh, okay, yeah, this is messy. And then I'm just gonna take some of this highlighter and just drop some in there. Whoa, I'm just dropping chunks in there. This is really not hard at all. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shake this up. I think I'm gonna add more oil. Ooh, this is really rose gold. I'm gonna show it to you inside, and then I'm gonna go outside and see how it looks. Okay. And somebody lied. This hack don't work, or no? Maybe I need more highlighter. I'll try it without the spray bottle. See if that works. No, that's not doing anything for me. I thought this was gonna be brilliant. I'm adding more highlighter, which I'm probably just wasting highlighter at this point. But like, you see how pigmented this is. Like, this should show up. Looking closer, it did work a little bit, but I'm just seeing like little specks of gold. It's not showing up as much as I wanted to. Maybe it's just the highlighter, but I'm gonna try it outside. All right, y'all, so I'm outside. The sun is like trying to come down or whatever, but I'm about to try this. This is okay. I see more now. This is trash, bro. This is trash. Who thought of this? This is trash. I'm acting like it wasn't my idea to do it. Okay. Maybe it'll work like that. Okay. Wait, I almost dropped the whole thing. That works a little bit more. That works more. Okay, I think the spray bottle is the problem. Somebody lied. I mean, I still ain't buying that body lava, but we're gonna have to keep on working on this hack, guys. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This is a little bit of a fail. Give me an A for effort. I tried, guys. Yeah. Let me know if you tried this and it actually works. Let me know what I need to do. Like, I feel like it's a spray bottle. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn your post notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. It's cold out here. Bye.